Welcome. Today, I'll guide you on how to view shared media in a Gmail space using your PC. With this new update, accessing your shared content is easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Once you're logged in, you'll land in your inbox. Next, look for the grid of 9 dots in the top right corner, right next to your profile photo. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Chat. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Spaces to view all the spaces you're a part of. Once you find the space where you want to view shared media, click on it to enter. Once you're inside, look at the top of the space for the Shared section. Click on the Shared section to access all the media that has been shared within that space. Here, you'll find images, videos, and documents that members have uploaded, making it easy to find and review shared content. And that's it. You've successfully viewed the shared media in your Gmail space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.